Don't throw away your old calendars. We can make some really fun paper crafts. Did you know the Far Side comic has been out since 1979? Gary Larson did these comics for 16 years, then took a 25-year hiatus, and just recently came back to doing some more of these comics. Just love them. And when I bought this calendar, I had it on my wall for a whole year. Just couldn't get rid of it. So I've had a couple years trying to figure out what to do with it. It's getting ready to just throw it out because I couldn't think of anything, and then reprieved it at the last moment and I decided let's try and see what I can do from it. So I dropped it off my craft room, started tearing it apart, taking out these staples, and I'm just going to start breaking down these pages, tearing them in half. I'm going to put them through my die cutting machine. I have one of those Anna Griffin electronic die cutters with these metal dies, and I'm just going to start running these pages through it, cutting out different shapes and sizes and different items, and then I'll just kind of put it together at the end, no plan in sight, and just kind of see what I come up with. So I'm going to go page by page, cutting out different things, so you can see me kind of laying them to the side here, taking this page over, running it through, making some tags, making envelopes, making like little rectangles to put sentiments on cards and things, making these 2.5 by 3.5 pages to make some ATCs or artist trading cards out of, and little sentiments of hello, and these little round and rectangle little pieces out of different sizes of these images. Just lots of fun different little things, and we'll just kind of see what kind of comes out of this. So I'm just going to speed up the video a little bit while I'm cutting this out because it's just going page by page. I'm just kind of using the same dies over and over again, cutting out little bits and pieces as I go along, and just kind of run through this real quick. And I'm also using the front and back cover of this calendar, a little thicker over paper, but all these pages are kind of thick and glossy, and just love these jewel tones in here, and I can just use these colors on just different things, I believe. And so I think it's going to be fun and crazy to kind of see what I kind of make out of this, and it's going to kind of surprise me, I think, here at the end. Okay, here I am kind of sorting it out a little bit. I have some envelopes made, some smaller pieces, some tags and stuff, kind of sorting them in some boxes, cut out some little not flowers, but some little leaves and things to put behind cards, some hello sentiments out of some other pieces, these little charm pieces out of rectangles and circles. Going to put everything together, bigger pieces, smaller pieces, the tags together, and just kind of get some ideas what I'm going to make out of all of this. And let's kind of put some stuff to the side and concentrate on one little section at a time. So this first little section, I know what I'm going to do these envelopes. I'm just going to glue these together. I love these envelopes. I use these a lot of times in racks or random acts of kindness. I put little pieces and bobs inside these and send them with my ATC cards, those artist trading cards that you trade for free with people all over the world. And it's a lot of fun. So I usually put a little bit of extra things inside with my ATCs when I mail them off. And these are perfect little envelopes that I use. And I just love these. So I ended up making 11 of these envelopes with the little different pieces of the calendar that I used. And so I'm going to have these on hand and ready to go when I start trading my cards. So I'm going to just do these really quick. I'm set them over to the side. Now, I really would appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And especially if you like some of these ideas I come up with, it really inspires me. Now, these 2.5 by 3.5 pieces that I cut out are what I'm going to be using for my artist trading cards. I'm going to be gluing these on the back of same sizes as some recycled cardboard that I stamped on the back that will have my name, information, the date I did these, and the inspiration or the name of the series that I did. And I will put these on the Facebook groups that I have joined to do these trading cards with, and I'll trade them with people all over the place. And it's a lot of fun. And so I'll just kind of glue these onto the cards and I'll embellish them out and make all kinds of fun stuff. Now these are some of the dies that I used when I used cutting up the calendar, and I used a variety, and I'll show you a snapshot of my most common dies I use, kind of a secret I'll show you at the end, where I keep them handy and just grab them and throw them through the die thing. These cards are really cool. They're nice, good size. They fit the ATCs really well, and any little gift cards or anything you want to give to people, these are perfect for. And this is a die I used, and I got most of these dies from Temu, or you can get them from Amazon also. Now here's those ATC cards that I put together. I put a sentiment on each one. I embellished them a little bit, kind of give my own little take on it. That one says spread joy. Got to put a little pile of poop there. Random people just glued on their cell phones. These advanced gorillas. Just love the Far Side comics and the comical situations. This revengeful wife. Put a little sparkle glitter pin on that one. And just did a couple different things with these. Didn't change them over too much. Just kind of enhanced them a little bit. And got the devil there. Hell destinations. It's just a lot of fun making these. And so I think I have 12 of these to trade. These are going to be a lot of fun, and I'll put those on my Facebook group here shortly, I believe. Oh, here's the die I used for that. That's perfect to run through the machine. And with those little round circles and rectangle ones, I made a bunch of junk journal charms. These I'm going to put on my Etsy shop for sale if anybody's interested. These are a one-time go, one of a kind. Once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not going to make, I just had the one calendar, and so once I sell these, that's it. The link to my Etsy shop will be down below in the description. I'm going to put these all in the same package together, all the round ones together, then I'll put the rectangle ones together, be sold separately, and it'll just be a big group of these to go. The backs of these are out of the same paper, and I put a little ball pin on these also, and you can add your own embellishment if you want to put a tassel or just hook it to your junk journal or whatever you want to do with it. I didn't embellish them heavily. I just put the ball pin on them. That was it. And one large round tag to go in each package. And there'll be a bunch of those to go inside, and just kind of look for those. And once they're gone, they are gone. And so these turned out so cute. I just love these little charms. And so I make these all the time for junk journals, and they just really add a lot of visual interest on those things that you make. And these are great little gifts also, or bookmarkers, whatever you want to do with them. And now here's the rectangles. I got the one round large charm with it, and then the smaller rectangles also with ball pins on them. And these will also all go together and go in my Etsy shop, and once they're gone, they're gone. And I just love these characters that Gary Larson has made for his comics. They're just comical, and they're just so funny. They just make my day. These animals are just hilarious. And there's his name on some of the tags also, because he did sign his works at the bottom of these pages. And so if it was available, I just went ahead and cut it out and put it on those also. These were so much fun to make. And these were also cut on a die cut machine with a rectangle die and a circle die. And with the larger pieces, I decided to make some greeting cards. And I did a lot of gold accents on these cards, put my own sentiments on it. And each one of these are also listed in my Etsy shop. And once they're gone, they're gone. They're one of a kind. And you got to use your calendars. You got to be able to make things out of them and put sayings on them. This was just a great, fun project for me. I'm glad I kept this calendar and I didn't throw it away. And I think these will be great cards for somebody. The inside of these cards are blank, so you can put your own sentiment on the inside. But I just loved how they came out. Look at these. The colors are great. Funny sentiments on them. And this is a larger one here. This is a 5x7 card. A little motivation there, go kick some butt. And little take on some music ones there. And so a lot of fun with these. So grab those. And some leftover stuff here. I backed these hellos on a shadow die, and also cut some sentiments out there. And these little leaf elements will go on some journaling or on some cards also in the future. Got a lot of leftover pieces. I guess can make some more ATCs here. And I also have a lot of rectangles and that I can put some sentiments on for some cards in the future, and some more little round things I can make some charms out of. And I also found in here that there's a couple that I forgot to make charms out of, so I'm going to dig these out here and put them in that pack. They're going to make the packs for Etsy and sell on, so I can put additional charms in those 2 packets. Here's one of the rectangles, and I'll also do another round one to go in those packages. A lot of fun. So please hit that subscribe button and really support me in this endeavor to make these fun videos like this and show you what I can make out of this stuff. Now, these tags here I will be backing with kind of a vintage type of paper, and also putting in an Etsy shop as junk journal tags that you can also purchase. And so, yeah, once they're gone, they're gone. But this paper is so pretty, these jewel tones and stuff. But take a look at them. Take a look at these ideas and make your own. Tell me what you think. And what you would do with a calendar if you have an old one and you want to recycle it. Give me some ideas, because I would love to do some more of these projects like this. But also, don't forget to like this video and promote me in the YouTube algorithm. I would really, really appreciate it. All right, I'll catch you on that next crafty idea, and let's get to crafting. See you later.